3 content marketing trends in 2022. AI-powered content. The rise of AI-powered content is unstoppable. GPT-3, which uses AI to take data and automatically generate copy, will become more widely available. It's likely this trend takes off in 2022. This is going to have an impact on content marketers by allowing them to create content at scale. First-party data-driven content. With both Apple and Google clamping down on cookie data, content marketers will need to look elsewhere for their data. This will lead to a greater emphasis and priority on first-party data-driven content. This is one of the key content marketing trends, as it is a fundamental shift in audience data collection. The ongoing importance of video. We will continue to see ongoing importance of video across all aspects of content marketing, particularly social. User-generated content has become a mainstay and will continue to perform in 2022. To get the most out of your content, visit vidon.ai.